Right there.
Oh, all right. Oh, a king on a ultralight. What do you think, Rick?
Come on, man! He's a pretty decent sized fish for that ultralight.
Oh, yes. Oh, oh man, almost.
Right here, he went under the boat.
I'm going to tighten it down a little more, alright? I want to land this thing so we don't kill him. Yeah. We can get his head up, I can get him.
Yeah! Yeah!
Come on, man! Okay, flip that bail for me. I'm going to idle over, we'll get a picture with him real quick.